South Korea reported 146 new COVID-19 infections on Wednesday, keeping the daily tally in the triple digits for the fourth day in a row. And the recent increase in cases has led some cities to raise their social distancing level to 1.5. Choi Jeong-yoon with more.
South Korea reported 146 new COVID-19 cases on Wednesday, seeing daily infections surpass the 100 mark for the 8th time in 11 days. Of Wednesday's reported cases, 113 were local transmissions and 33 came from overseas. Cluster infections continue nationwide, not only from hospitals and care facilities in the greater capital area, but also from small gatherings and public facilities such as subway stations and cafes. A rise in cases in the southwest of the country has led Suncheon city in Jeollanam-do Province to raise its social distancing level to 1.5 on Wednesday, following Cheonan and Asan in Chungcheongnam-do Province and Wonju in Gangwon-do Province the day before.
I want to ask earnestly that the standard for distancing level adjustment, which is over 100 daily cases on average, does not mean that if there are under 100 patients, it is safe. The crisis is ongoing and the COVID-19 virus can explode at any time if we let our guard down.
Health authorities are closely watching the situation, considering possibly raising the distancing level in central regions if current uptrend continues for 2 more weeks. Under level 1.5, there will be limits on the size of gatherings and worshippers, and sports events are restricted to 30% capacity.
High-risk facilities under level 1.5 will only open at limited times or with pre-reservations. Under level 2, half of the total capacity will be allowed in, and they won't be allowed to eat indoors.
Meanwhile, starting Wednesday, anyone flying to China from Korea, regardless of nationality, is required to hand in 2 sets of results confirming they have tested negative for COVID-19. Both tests should be done within 48 hours of the flight's departure and at 2 different facilities from a list of medical centers provided by the Chinese embassy. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.